everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Tigger from Winnie the Pooh, let's begin with the eyes. So let's begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a little dot for the eye. And then we're going to keep these eyes pretty close together, and we'll make another little dot that we color in right there. Next, let's make a little line that curves here. And then let's make a nice big smiley face shape for the nose. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come down and then back up for part of the mouth. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then up here for part of the mouth again. And then let's make a nice big smiley face shape in here. Then we'll make a little sad face for the tongue. And we can draw a little line down here. Now let's draw the head. Let's begin by making a line that's going to curve out. We're going to come around and in. And let's make another one that goes around and then back down. Let's color in a big oval here for an eyebrow and a big oval here for an eyebrow. For the ears, let's draw a line that's going to go up, down, and in. And same thing here, up, down, and in. Let's curve a line down, and let's curve a line down. Then we're going to make two more little lines for some more little details. Next, let's make the arms. Let's begin by drawing a line that comes out here and a line that's going to come out here. Let's make a bump and a bump for his thumb. Then we're going to curve this line around and bring it back to here. And we'll do that same thing here. Curve this line around and bring it back to here for his hand and arms. Next, let's draw a line that's going to go down and in. And another one's going to go down and in. And then we can just connect this right here. Now for the legs, let's draw a line that's going to curve up and down. And let's make a line that's going to curve up and down, and then we're going to come back here for the foot. Same thing here, up and down. Then we're going to curve up and down. We're going to come back up and down for the leg and the foot. We'll make an oval shape right here and an oval shape right here. Then for the tail, let's make like a wavy line. And we can make another wavy line and then connect it. Now right here for his stomach, let's draw a line that's just going to curve down and up. And right here, let's give him some little whiskers on each side. Next, let's make some stripes. So we're just going to make some little V shapes on here. or some little triangle shapes on Tigger. So you can just kind of put these wherever you want to. Just make some little V's and little triangles. You can put these on the body as well, on each side. And even a few on the leg as well. Just a couple V's and a little triangle. Now for the tail, I'm going to make a little line across. And then I'm going to put some more of these little kind of sideways triangle shapes all around here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.